Logarithmic differentiation. Logarithmic differentiation.
Logarithmic differentiation. Okay, first question.
Differentiate. You write the question. Differentiate.
Y equal to
Log x
whole raised to
cos x.
log x whole raised to cos x. So I already taught how to do logarithm. What we'll do, we will apply logarithm on both sides. So take logarithm on both sides.
So you do log y, write with me, do it with me. Log y equal to log of log x raised to cos x.
So we put logarithm on both sides. Left hand side is log y itself. We cannot do anything. This part, look what result you can apply.
Log a raised to n.
So what is it? N log a.
So this can be written as n is cos x. Cos x log of log x.
Okay.
Now differentiate both sides. Differentiate both sides.
Differentiate log y. What is derivative of log y?
1 by y. Finished? Dy by dx. Whenever y comes, you should write dy by dx. 1 by y dy by dx. And this part, with respect to log, this is cos x. Cos x log
X. Which property we have to apply?
product rule. Cos x into
log x. So you apply product rule. What is product rule?
u dv by dx plus v du by dx. Then what we will get? Cos x d by dx of log x plus log x d by dx of cos x.
Okay. Now differentiate
Cos x
d by dx of log x. So with respect to this log we will do. So what is it? What is derivative of log x? 1 by x.
So instead of x you can see log x. So log of log x, what is its derivative? 1 by log x into,
Apply chain rule. With respect to this log we did. Now with respect to this log we have to do.
what is derivative of log x? 1 by x plus log of log x into
d by dx of cos x.
negative sin x.
Now up to this differentiation finished, we can write the answer. What is dy by dx? We will take that y to the right hand side.
So let us write what is dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to y into
This one rearrange and write. What is it?
x can come to front. So cos x is the numerator and denominator is x log x. So what we can write? Cos x by x log x. Then there is minus. So it will come here. So it should be written as minus sin x log of log x. If we want, we can write in bracket, otherwise also no problem. Log of log x.
One more step remains. What is the last step?
We have to substitute for this y. So what is the final answer? dy by dx equal to y is log x raised to cos x into this bracket, just write it in the same way, cos x by x log x minus sin x log of log x. I hope you understood the method. Okay. Next problem, a similar one. You finished, Arabic? Next problem is also a similar one. You should tell me the steps. Okay. So what is it? Next problem you write. Cos x raised to y equal to cos y raised to x. Okay, so what is first step? Logarithm on both. Okay, when in the question paper many problems are given, how will you understand this is logarithmic differentiation? How to understand? You have to apply logarithm rule. In the power you can see x and y. Because we learned in standard result x raised to n, not the power is y or x. Whenever power is coming x or y, we cannot do by the standard result. So we should apply logarithm and this power should come down. Okay. So apply logarithm on both sides. Apply logarithm on both sides. Okay, so you take logarithm, log of cos x raised to y equal to log of cos y raised to x. Then this is of the form log a raised to n, so n log a. So this will be coming as y log of cos x equal to x log of cos y. Now differentiate. Here which rule we have to apply? This is y into log of cos x. So product rule on LHS, on RHS, x into, there also product rule will come. So apply. When we write y, we will differentiate this part. So what is it? Log of cos x. So 1 by, with respect to this log we are differentiating. So what will come? Log of cos x is 1 by cos x into, what is derivative of cos x? Negative sin x. Left side is not over. We did only one part. Now we will differentiate y. So what will it become? Log cos x. Why we have to differentiate it, isn't it? So log cos x into dy by dx equal to, here also apply product rule. So tell x, what is derivative of log cos y? 1 by cos y into negative sin y into, it is y. So dy by dx whenever y comes, you should write dy by dx, otherwise your answer will be wrong. Then what is the next part? Plus, when we differentiate x, its derivative is 1. So it is very easy. Log cos y. This is log cos y, because derivative of x is 1. Here, how many terms are there with the dy by dx? This term is with the dy by dx and this term is also dy by dx. Club the terms with the dy by dx. Okay, so what we can write? Dy by dx into, this term is what? Log cos x. Log cos x. And this term is negative. When it comes to this side, it will become plus. So what will write? Plus x, it is sin y by cos y. So we can write tan y. Finished, isn't it? Next is dy by dx. The rest of the terms we will write on the RHS. So what will be on the RHS? Equal to, this term will go there. So it will be changed as what? It is negative. When it goes, it will be positive. Y is there. Sin x by cos x. What is sin x by cos x? Tan x. So what shall I write here? Y tan x. Then this term. What is it? Plus log cos y. So write what is dy by dx? Dy by dx equal to this term divided by this. Isn't it? So answer is y tan x plus log cos y divided by log cos x plus x tan y. Y equal to x raised to sin x plus sin x raised to cos x. Here also we can understand it is by logarithmic differentiation because in power there is x terms, isn't it? So we should apply logarithm. Look here, if you take a logarithm on both sides as usual method, what will happen to the RHS? It will be log of one function plus another function. Log of u plus v form is coming on RHS, isn't it? But what is the rule? Log of u plus v? No logarithm rule. We learned log of AB is log A plus log B. For addition, there is no logarithm rule. Only for product and division we are applying. So here we will not be able to apply logarithm on RHS. Okay, that is the difference of this problem with the last question. Last question we were able to directly apply logarithm on RHS or and LHS. Here there is plus term. Whenever plus term is coming, the question will be a little more lengthy. How to do that? First we will do this problem on one term. Next do the second one. Then add. That is the method. So what we will write? We will write it as let y equal to u plus v. Let y equal to u plus v. Then what is u? U is this one and v is this one. What we have to find? We have to find dy by dx. Differentiate here. Dy by dx is what? Dy by dx is what? Two functions are added. How will we find the derivative? First derivative plus second derivative. That's all. So dy by dx is what? Du by dx plus dv by dx. This is the method. Leave it like this. We have to find du by dx and dv by dx. After that only we will substitute in one. So now start from here. What is u? What is u? U is equal to x raised to sin x. This problem is just like our last question. Y equal to some term. Instead of y you can see u. That's all. So do like the last problem. So when we differentiate, what we will get? Take logarithm on both sides. Log u is equal to log of x raised to sin x. Sin x log x. Sin x log x. Then differentiate. Differentiate, what we will get? Log u. What is derivative of log u? 1 by u du by dx equal to, what is derivative of sin x log x? It is, which rule we should apply? Product rule. Tell the product rule. So sin x, what is derivative of log x? 1 by x plus log x, what is derivative of sin x? Cos x. So we will get what is du by dx. What is du by dx? U into will become, you write du by dx is u into, this term we can make arrangement, sin x by x plus cos x log x or log x cos x, both are correct. Okay, then what we have to do? Next step, substitute for u. So final answer du by dx is what? X raised to sin x into sin x by x plus log x cos x. Okay, so we got du by dx. Similarly, we will find dv by dx. Let us do. I am rubbing here. We need du by dx. Keeping it here. Okay. Now let us do b part. What is b? What is b? Sin x raised to cos x. What we will do? Take logarithm on both sides. So what we will get? Log b equal to log of sin x raised to cos x. Then you take logarithm. Logarithm rule we are applying. Log a raised to n log a. So what we will get? Cos x log of sin x. Next step, differentiate. When we differentiate, 1 by v dv by dx equal to, here we should apply product rule. It is cos x into log sin x. Cos x into log sin x. You apply logarithm product rule. Cos x into, what is derivative of log sin x? 1 by sin x into derivative of sin x is cos x plus, now we have to differentiate cos x. So log sin x into negative sin x. So what is dv by dx? v into, you write dv by dx is v into, this term we can simplify. Cos x by sin x is cot x. Still one cos x will come there. So it is cos x cot x. This term can be written as cos x cot x, or if you write cos square x by sin x, no problem. Both are correct. So I am writing it as cot x cos x plus this one negative will come here minus sin x log sin x. You write dv by dx equal to v into cot x cos x minus sin x log sin x. Now we have to substitute for b. What is b? Sin x raised to cos x. So what is our dv by dx? Sin x raised to cos x into, in bracket, cot x cos x minus sin x log sin x. Now we will substitute this du by dx and dv by dx in this equation. That is the answer. So I am rubbing here. So we are getting the answer dy by dx. Substitute. So what is dy by dx? Dy by dx equal to du by dx. What is du by dx? This term. Sin x. No. X raised to sin x into sin x by x plus log x cos x plus now dv by dx. dv by dx is sin x raised to cos x into cot x cos x minus sin x log x. Differentiate a raised to x. That is the question. So how to do this? In the power there is x. So we should apply logarithm rule. That we understood. How to start? When nothing is given, we will write it as let y equal to. Isn't it? Y equal to a raised to x. Apply logarithm on both sides. So what will you get? Log y equal to log a raised to x. What is it? X log a. What is this a? A is a constant. Only x and y are variables. Other letters all will be constants. So we got log y equal to x log a. Now differentiate. Differentiate. What we will get? What is derivative of log y? 1 by y dy by dx equal to log a is a constant. Just like 2, 3, that. So we can take it as a constant. So log a. And what is derivative of x? It is 1 only. Okay. So what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is y log a. Okay. Now for y we have to substitute. What is y? So what is final answer? A raised to x log a.